Manager Patoranking in the building. Straight. Yeah, passing some ideas, you know. Yeah, man. East Africa. Stand up. How you boy?
What have you had? DJ Show.
Baddest and the baddest, East Africa.
You know?
Uganda is my second home now.
Yeah?
I don't think I'm leaving, maybe next year.
Yeah.
How did you hear about DJ Show?
Online, with everyone that has told me about here.
Okay.
Said we got to talk to him, he's a man to talk to. So.
Okay. He runs the 256. Did they tell you he's the doctor?
Navio told me especially, he said he must see Show before he leaves. So
okay.
I'm honored to be here.
Alright. You know he's an artist too, so are we doing a mixtape?
Yeah.
DJ Show featuring Patoranking?
I'm gonna look forward to doing Patoranking in soon. Yeah.
So it's coming?
Let's rock. Let's do it.
You rock with the best?
There's only one way. The baddest and the baddest.
I mean, I have Chameleon, I have Eddie Kenzo, I have Bebe Kuro, I have like, you know, Navio, like, who's the biggest in your country?
You say the biggest as every show that artist.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the poster every show. Davido. Sure? Yeah.
We did 47 shows in December. I know David must have done every show.
I don't know if you kill me at
every show. And, you know,
We did 47 in December.
yeah.
47 shows?
47 shows in 1 month.
Yeah, but I think
December,
Nigeria, that's why these guys are do a lot of shows, right? The population they have in their country. Right?
December and Easter are the two biggest, Christmas and Easter time. Biggest show time. Because every company, everyone is doing shows, and you have private shows, you have weddings, you have everything.
And they're orgas. They put money.
A project, Karivichi.
No, this is a promo CD.
Okay.
Ranking, yeah, it's a promo CD. But the latest track is Daniela Wine.
Okay.
Yeah, the video is gonna be shot like in 2 weeks, right? Yeah, 2 weeks, yeah. It's one of the baddest artists right now in Africa. That's me. Patoranking. The CD cover.
Daniela Wine.
Daniela Wine. It's one of these singles. 2 weeks time, the video is gonna be out.
What do you think of the Ugandan market?
Uganda is the biggest, to me, it's the best market for dancehall in Africa, period.
Yeah, man.
You know, the love here has been, and it's true fans, it's people that really listen to the music, not just, you know, mainstream, but listen to the actual dancehall reggae vibe. So
yeah,
for us, this is second home.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm leaving, but my visa is 3 months, so
okay.
you know, let's see. But yeah, Uganda is our home.
Okay.